Imagine boosting your testosterone by a massive 434% naturally. No needles, no synthetic pills, no risky shortcuts. Just real, science-backed strategies that doctors and researchers are talking about in 2026. If you're feeling low energy, struggling to build muscle, losing drive in the bedroom, or just not feeling like your old self, this could change everything. Stick with me, because today I'm revealing the Protocol 434 that top experts are using to skyrocket testosterone levels naturally. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm breaking down the most effective and natural ways to increase testosterone in 2026. As men, our testosterone peaks in our 20s and starts declining, sometimes fast, due to stress, poor sleep, bad diet, and lack of the right training. Low T means fatigue, stubborn fat, weak muscles, low libido, and even mood issues. But the good news? You can reverse this naturally. Studies show massive boosts, like up to 434% more testosterone when combining specific herbs with exercise compared to exercise alone. That's where Protocol 434 comes in. It's not hype, it's built on real clinical data from recent years. Let's dive into the exact steps doctors recommend for 2026. First, what is Protocol 434? It's a powerful stack that combines targeted supplementation, precise nutrient timing, heavy lifting, and recovery therapies to create a massive synergistic effect on your hormones. The star here is high-quality ashwagandha, specifically KSM-66 extract. In double-blind studies, men taking this during resistance training saw a 434% greater increases in testosterone compared to training alone. That's not a typo. 434%. It reduces cortisol, your stress hormone that kills testosterone, improves sleep, and directly supports T production. Dose it at 600 milligrams daily, split morning and evening. Pair it with a clean diet and the rest of the protocol, and you're setting your body up for explosive gains. This isn't just about one supplement, it's the full system. Next up, zinc and magnesium timing. These two minerals are absolute game changers for testosterone. Zinc is critical for T synthesis. If you're deficient, your levels crash. Magnesium helps regulate sleep and lowers cortisol. The key is timing. Take them together at night, right before bed. This is called ZMA-style timing. Studies show nighttime dosing improves deep sleep, where most testosterone is produced, and can boost free testosterone significantly. Aim for 30 to 50 milligrams zinc, picolinate or citrate form for best absorption. 400 to 450 milligrams magnesium, glycinate or citrate. Avoid oxide. Take on an empty stomach 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Avoid calcium at the same time, it blocks absorption. Do this consistently and many men report better recovery, deeper sleep, and noticeable morning energy spikes within weeks. This is a cornerstone of the 2026 protocol. Now, the foundation, heavy compound lifts. Nothing spikes testosterone like big multi-joint movements with heavy weight and moderate reps. Focus on squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, pull-ups, or rows. Train 3 to 4 times per week. Use 4 to 8 rep range, 80 to 90% of your 1 rep max. Rest 2 to 3 minutes between sets. Studies prove this style causes acute testosterone surges post-workout, and over time builds higher baseline levels. Add some HIIT or sprint sessions 1 to 2 times weekly for extra boost. Short, intense bursts hammer growth hormone and T. Avoid endless cardio. It can tank testosterone if overdone. Pro tip, train in the late afternoon or evening when natural T is higher. Fuel with protein and healthy fats post-workout to lock in gains. Finally, cold heat therapy. This is huge in 2026 protocols. Alternate cold exposure, ice baths or cold showers, with heat, hot baths or sauna. Cold shocks boost dopamine and norepinephrine, which support testosterone. Heat improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and enhances recovery. Try this 3 to 4 times per week. 3 to 5 minutes cold shower or ice bath, as cold as you can handle. Follow with 10 to 20 minutes sauna or hot bath. Research shows this combo lowers cortisol, improves sleep, and supports hormone balance. Many guys report feeling unstoppable after adding it. Combine all this with 7 to 9 hours sleep, stress management, meditation or walks, and a diet high in healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, fatty fish, zinc-rich foods, oysters, beef, and vitamin D from sun or supplements. So there you have it, the 2026 Protocol 434 to increase testosterone naturally. Ashwagandha-powered supplementation, nighttime zinc magnesium, heavy compound lifts, and cold heat therapy. Follow this, stay consistent, and you could see life-changing results. More energy, muscle, confidence, and drive. Now, I want to challenge you. Commit to the 30-day testosterone challenge. Start today. Get your supplements, hit the gym heavy, time your ZMA, add the cold heat sessions. Drop "I'm in" or 434% in the comments below if you're committing. Tag a friend who needs this. Like the video if it fired you up, subscribe for more science-backed protocols, and hit the bell. Your best years aren't behind you, they're ahead. Let's build them. See you in the comments. Go crush it.